Welcome to HB classes. This is Hari Babu. Today I am going to explain one more sum from the tangent. This question they asked in 2005 for 4 marks. Now look at the question. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So AB is 12 centimeter. So AB is 12 centimeter. So AC is 13 centimeter. A circle with the center O has been inscribed inside the triangle. This circle is inscribed inside the triangle. The circle we can say as inside the triangle. So calculate the value of x. We need to find the calculating as a value of x. So this value of x is what? The radius of the circle. The value of x is radius of the circle. So to find the radius of the circle, now look at the diagram carefully. We know the hypotenuse, we know the perpendicular. We know the hypotenuse, we know the perpendicular. First we'll find it BC by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to sum of other two sides square. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of other two sides square. So hypotenuse according to the question is AC square. So AC is what? 13 square. AB is 12 square plus BC square. So now you will get the BC square equal to 13 square. 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. So this 12 square we have taken other side. 12 square when you are taking other side 144. So BC square equal to 25. BC equal to 5 centimeter. So now I got this value is the 5 centimeter. Now what I am going to do, so I will give the name these points where the perpendicular drawn. So this I will give the P, Q, R. I have given the names as a P, Q, R where the perpendicular is drawn. So now look at the question. If you look at the diagram carefully, here is forming as a 90 degrees, here also forming 90 degrees, here also forming 90 degrees. So 3 places we can see it is forming 90 degrees. So from this diagram, what you need to understand, POQB is a square. POQB is a square. We know that in square all the sides are equal. So here this value is x. This also will be x. This is x. This also will be x. Now I am going to write the step. So BP equal to BQ equal to x. BP equal to BQ equal to, I have written the value as x. Now the length of AB. The length of AB is the 12. The length of AB is 12. PB value is the x. PB value is the x. Now can you tell me what is the value, what is the length of AB? What is the length of AP? AP will be what? So here they have given AB is the 12 centimeter, PB is x centimeter. Now I need to find the AB. So from the total, if I remove the PB, I am going to get the AP. So that will be 12 minus x. Similarly, here also I am going to apply the same concept. That totally BC is the 5 centimeter, BQ is the x. From the 5 we remove the x value. So BC equal to, now we will find it as a BQ equal to 5 minus x. The total length is a 5 centimeter. From that we are removing as a BQ. BQ value is what? X. If I remove the x value from the total, I am got it as a QC. Now remember that. Then we will go for the next step. So next step what I am going to write it. So exterior point A, two tangents are drawn to a circle are equal. Two tangents drawn to a circle are equal. So this is the exterior point. So previous question also I have mentioned it. From the exterior point we can draw the two tangents to the circle. The lengths of the tangents are equal. So according to this, the AP and the AR will be equal. So I am going to write it that. So AP equal to AR. AP equal to AR. So this I am going to consider as a 1. Now if I take for the point B, we know that already we have got it as x value, we don't need to compare it. Because BP equal to BQ, we know that. Now we'll go for the C. Exterior point C, two tangents are drawn to a circle. Two tangents are drawn to a circle are equal. Two tangents are drawn to a circle. From exterior point C, two tangents. What are the two tangents? QC and RC. These lengths are equal. So I will write QC equal to RC. This is I will consider 2. Now what I am going to do, I will add this 2. I am going to add it 1 and 2. So when I add 1 and 2, what I am going to get the left hand side? AP value is 12 minus x. AP value is 12 minus x. QC value is 5 minus x. QC value is 5 minus x. I am adding the left hand side, remember carefully. So AP is 12 minus x. QC, so QC, sorry, this is CQ. CQ or QC value is 5 minus x. Here I corrected, CQ value is 5 minus x. So right hand side what I am getting? AR plus RC. So AR plus RC. So AP value is 12 minus x, CQ value is 5 minus x. Left hand side things I added. So 12 plus 5, 17 minus 2x. Now look at carefully. AR plus CR. AR plus CR, can I say AC? AR plus CR, I can tell you AC. So the length of AC is how much? 13. So 13 we bring this side, 2x we take that side. 17 minus 13 equal to 2x. So how much you are getting? 4 equal to 2x, x equal to 2 centimeter. So now you got the radius of the circle. Therefore, radius of a circle equal to 2 centimeter. So now look at the carefully. What we have done here, first we are finding the length of AP, we are finding the length of the QC. After finding as a Pythagoras theorem. Then after that what I have done, from exterior point A, two tangents are drawn to the circle, the lengths are equal. AP equal to AR. So instead of AP, I am writing 12 minus x. In the similar way, from point C, two tangents are drawn to the circle, the lengths are equal. So that is what I am getting, 5 minus x, you will get the, adding as 17 plus 4, 5 plus 12, you will get the 17, minus x minus 2x, AR plus RC. AR plus RC will be AC, that you are getting as a 13. So 13 minus 17 minus 13, you will get the 4 equal to 2x. X value got the 2 value. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.